What's up, guys? Good morning. I know I haven't, been on YouTube. I'm a hoarder of stuffed animals. I was gonna make a video of this long time ago, but I never did. I love pillows. I got 3 huge. I got a unicorn. I got this dog here. It just keep going and going and going. These things were so expensive. My mom brought me these a couple years ago, 1,000 years ago, about 8, 9 years ago. I don't know. But it just keeps going. In a moving process, moving to a new house. Look at her foot, man. I'm sorry, baby. I love monkeys. I told y'all that. It just keep going. I got this one in Canada when I went away with my cousins. If y'all go back a couple years back, y'all will see that. But it just keep going. And I made this one at the Build-A-Bear workshop in out across the river, I think. I don't know where. Capital City Mall. It just keep going. I got almost all these. Some of these out of state. It just keeps going. I got this one out of state too. Wherever I go, I get some stuffed animals. I got this at when I was away in Mexico. This was like, they got deals if y'all go away somewhere, 2 for something or something like that. I don't know. But you know what I mean? It just keeps going. Mom said she want me, throw some away. I ain't throwing nothing away. And then this one right here. This was a few years ago when I got my mom some jewelry. We have a thing at Cage Jewelry. If you buy, a certain amount, they was doing, a deal, like Christmas deal. When you buy a certain amount of I think it was rings or necklaces, you get a free bear. So we brought out 50 maybe, I think, a couple of years, about 2 or 3 years ago. Now this right here, he still works. Let me see if he. There you go. I don't know if y'all saw his eyes glow up. But I did. But, these are pictures from Africa. These pictures from Africa. I think most of them are. I don't know. It's monkeys in the trees. I thought this tree was, looked dope. I never seen a tree like that other than, on TV. I was at the, waterfalls. This is all. Oh. There's another picture of all. nail was huge. I got up real close on it. Just keep going. If I go back and cause I made a poster. I make posters sometimes. That's my mom's best friend, and this, you know, that's girl right here. She's from Africa. My mom actually adopted her, and you know, she, you know, helped take care of her. You know, send her money sometimes. Dang, I was huge. I was a big, chunky, juicy one. Yo, my dress was like, they were small back then. Now they all long down my back and stuff. What? Hey, what you doing? What you looking for? It used to be some stuff over there, huh? Alright, so you know, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. So my brother's room had I don't know if it was ticks, fleas, or whatever, or bed bugs. I don't know. Trying to figure out how the hell we got bed bugs and stuff. I'm tired of my mom letting people, you know, come over and stay and stuff. And, you know, what they carrying and stuff with them. Dang, look at my dress. They were, jeez. Look at her face. Everyone, this is my niece. She was like, I don't know, about 1, 2 years old now. She's about like, I think she's going on 5 now. This was a restaurant at the Victoria Falls or something, I think. And this was their money. You know, our money, it was more and more, our money was more than their money. I don't know, something like that. You know what I mean? Y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all went away before. We had to buy my whole house. And I'm hoping it works. This was in the Africa airport. Jeez. Ooh. I can't believe I was that big. I'm still, you know what I mean, chunky with it though. Yo, if I go look, bro, it's about like, I think this was about 4 years ago or 3-4 years ago before I had my surgery. And look at my arms, bro. They were bare now. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Tatted up. Let me go back to the other one. See. You know what I mean? I'm a hoarder, bro. I don't want stuff in your nose. Alright, look. I got burned on the iron. I didn't even know I got burned on the iron until I touched it. A couple minutes later, I didn't even feel it. But if y'all look right there, like in that spot right here, you can see the marks of the iron a little bit. So I'm about to cover that up. If you like in the middle, you see that hoop right there? That's where I got burned from the iron. My mom was ironing her clothes for us to go to church or something. That's where you know what I mean, that's where we went to, you know, after the church conference. You know what I mean? I didn't even spend a whole bunch on these, you know. If you do a certain amount with these people, I think you get like 100 or something. I don't know, something. I haven't did it in a while, but y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all, you know, did that. Africa was actually pretty, you know, dope. We had, I had so much experience, you know what I mean, being there, because, you know what I mean, it's like, they did not have, you know, the stuff that we have, you know, privileges, because people don't even, I got an itch on my side, okay, itch on my stomach, okay, what? They did not have, you know, the privileges that we have in America. Some of them didn't even have jobs. These people be getting out hustling every single day. But give me a minute. You laying on my shirt for the day for work. I go and get me a shower because we're gonna be leaving soon to go to the store. We're back now. What's in this one? What's in this one? I was thick. Look at my arm. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Can tat it up now. I had 2 tattoos. I think I showed you. I was the heart one with my brother's name, and the other one was see no evil, speak no evil. You know what I mean? With the monkeys, because I love monkeys. My niece got my nose. She got my nose. My niece is so adorable. I put these back. Give me a minute. I'm trying to go back to sleep, but I don't think I'm gonna go back to sleep. And then I gotta force myself to get my behind back up. These was all the animals at the fall place. The animals and the flowers. That's a hog, bird, butterflies. What is he? That's some flower. I don't know. Let's move on. Moving on. That's just another you know, guide type of thing that goes on with the falls. Another one. A lizard. I was trying to catch him. Trying to maybe bring him back to America. But you know what I mean? How you gonna breathe? How? You know what I mean? The food there was dope. You know what I mean? It was different. I tried that's where we stayed at. I tried a worm. Was it a worm? No, not a worm. I don't know what I'm talking about. I tried them. That was a picture in the motel. Another picture. Let me tell you. This dude, he was flirting with me, and this man was married. I didn't even know that this nigga was married, but he was married. You know what I mean? He ain't, you know what I mean? He cute, but he ain't my type. This lion was huge. I didn't even get all of it. This was their old money. Another time at the Victoria Falls. Another one. The same tree, but I got, you know what I mean, zoomed out of it. I should do a poster. Get me a poster, or a dollar store, get me a poster, some tape, some glue, and just, you know what I mean. There you go. That's a cliff. We were, I think we were walking on this, not, you know what I mean, close up, but you know what I mean. It was so foggy over there, man. We have like, you know what I mean, these some statues, but it just didn't. This was just brown. I don't know why I took a picture of that. That's a drum. That drum was like, it felt like it was paper or something, you know what I mean? Another sign. Don't you fall now. Turn it around. Another sign. Another sign. Another post with a shirt on it. What's this? Yeah, you see that though. This tree was huge. It was down. That's the end of it. I can, you know what I mean, take a whole good picture of it. I had a camera back then. I don't know where my camera is. I think I gave it away to my cousin. Don't that look like a Renata? What is it? Animal. Look like an animal. My dress was short back then. I don't know how long ago. About 4 or 5 years ago. I don't know about it. Let's see. And then I get these. Look at the box. The falls. This place was so beautiful. The last picture. Give me a minute. You know, the ticks. They are my dog ticks. We have them. That cannot be. Well, I tore it off. Give me a minute. Be patient with me, please. Okay, it was, yeah, it was, the 12th, you know, the December the 12th. Hold on, let me show you real quick. Let me see if it don't matter. It won't matter anyway, because, you know what I mean, I moved. Alright, let's get it. Come on, clear up. Clear it up. You know what I mean? Clear it in. It's the 30th, 2016. And I had 129, I think, I don't know. 29 pictures. Then I have 4xg 120 24 5x by 5. Alright, you see a little bit, but you know what I mean. What's up, guys? I washed my hair yesterday, greased it. It might look oil and stuff, you know what I mean. I don't really care, but hope y'all have a blessed day. But I'm a hoarder, you know what I mean. I'm a hoarder of stuffed animals. I don't know if y'all are a hoarder of stuffed animals, but I'm a hoarder of stuffed animals. But I gotta go back. I gotta finish. Have a great day. Don't want to get up on your steam, you know what I mean? Stay positive, stay, you know what I mean? Alright. You see.